Salisbury Plain. This is the military testing ground, well, training ground rather. This is more like it. 125 friendly terrain. Ow! It wouldn't be a ride out, would it, without a twig to the face? It is slippy as anything. This is weird, it like tricks you, like false sense of security territory this is. You're like, oh yeah, it's all good, and then what? Tell you one thing, you'd think with the MOD f***ing budget, they'd at least be filling in their potholes. I may or may not have just splashed a cyclist with puddle water. Oh, we have a man down. Paddling our way through here. Now we're green laning. Doesn't get more green, in fact. Hate stuff. Oh shit. Fuck that for a laugh. Whoa, Christ alive. Oh, did I get you? Shit. Sorry. Oh, that was such a painful blow to the face. I cannot even stress. I think that may have even been a thorn bush, but that nearly broke the bridge of my nose. I massively underreacted. I'm in severe pain. There goes Ray, making the most of his power band. I'm not sure how concerned I should be, if at all. If at all. I don't know what's going on. I think it's just because I've been ill, you know. I'm like, not making any sense, like, full delirious still. I'm safe to be operating a motor vehicle, I'll have you know. Bit of a hill climb, yes! We did something fun! Ow. That's Stonehenge. That's class. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that is Stonehenge. It does look a bit like it's made out of fiberglass. Some traffic going on here, like. As far as the eye can see. We're joining him, I reckon. So far, it's kind of sketchy in a fun way. I'm starting to lose my voice because of this bastard tonsillitis. So please do forgive me if I've been rather silent. I sound weird. Oh no! Oh, it's just gone. Oh fuck no! Why? Oh, my poor voice. No, come back! No! Fucking hell, whoa! Well, that was sketch. Didn't see that one coming. What? I just got launched off my fucking foot pegs, mate. Oh, Jesus Christ. I sound like a 50-year-old crackhead woman. Oh, you might not get out of the groceries. Oh, oh, oh shit. Christ. I'm okay with riding a track if it's a half interesting track, and this is a half interesting track. Whoa, Jesus Christ. That was a bit deeper. I'm scaring myself now. Suspension on this thing is not built for this. Whoa! I'm scared. I'm well within Ray's fucking roost range, which means I'm in danger. Another pole. Fuck you. No dead pheasant. Oh, my arms. Tom getting aggressive with the throttle there. That's what we like to see. I'm telling you now, when I get a bike, a bigger bike, an enduro bike with better suspension, that's it. It's all over. I will not be stopped. Oh well, we all know that I will. I'll fucking crash probably second time riding it, but shit like this. Oh, the jumps, the bunny hops. Whee! Oh, whee! Oh, pure bunny hoppage, boys. Whee! Whoa! Oh, Jesus, that one was a bit enthusiastic, I take. Oh, I sound deranged, like, I actually sound fucking weird, like. Oh, God. Whee! This is sketching me out, like, the braking. Ooh, the fishtail downhill braking in gravel is not it, ladies and gentlemen. It's not it. Skrrr. This one's different now. Treacle, branchel. This one's like kind of more similar to the tracks I'm used to on the green hand, the green lanes back yonder, you know. There once was a druid and his men. Wee wah wee wah woo. I think I'm losing it now, guys. Oh Jesus! I'm starting to lose it. It's got to that point in the day where I'm going a bit crazy. The petrol fumes have gone to my head. Ooh, muddy ruts, my boy. Oh, the old indicator. Yeah, I meant to leave that on. Also, I don't want to brag or anything, but I'm at the back of the group and I can't even catch up, so yeah. I think that speaks for itself. I'm an absolute weapon. Hide your 250s and your 300s, this little 125 is coming to play. Tell you why it's more fun, it's because we're not on a flat plane anymore, I reckon. Flat equals bad, flat equals boring, avoid flat when it comes to riding. That's what I've learned, if anything, over the years, you know, the last 3 years, like. Ooh. Oh, nice hairpin corner. Wait a second, I don't know if I can look at it. I'll see you in a bit. Oh, refreshing break in the countryside. There's a buzzard right there. Oh, I didn't have time to pop a lozenge. Never mind. Now this is looking familiar. This is very reminiscent of what a green lane means to me. Oh, and the county I come from. Oh. I don't know what the f***'s going on with my voice, but oh Jesus, it's good fun, I can tell you that much. Well guys, it's turned into a good day. I was apprehensive, I was like, oh no, is this literally just going to be potholes and gravel? But no, pleasantly surprised by a bit of variation, my dear. You feeling brave? Yeah, we're feeling brave. Oh, it's quite steep. Oh, panic! Oh, what a panic! Oh, f*** that for a laugh. Yeah, no chance. Well, that was a flame. Bye. Oh shit, man, that was insane. Full back wheel lock up, drift into the corner to avoid the tree. See, stuff like this feels fun on a little bike. But on everything else, that KTM was the absolute shit. I need one, like, so bad. Oh my god, I don't know how I saved that. That should have been a crash. Legitimately cross-rutted the front wheel. Shit! Right guys, I'm back on my own. At the back of the pack. Oh, did rim cross here? Fuck yeah. Now, I wasn't ready for that. A bit deep. Oh, straight in the face. Hey, sick. We're back to the plains, back to the gravel and potholes. However, this time there's whoops, which makes this so much more enjoyable. Definitely down on power. It's got to be the huge blow in my exhaust, because that has historically caused me lacks of power. Thank you. And but yeah, like in first gear I'm struggling just on certain stuff. It just makes no sense, because I know my bike and I know how it should be, and it ain't that. Ooh.
Goggles, mate.
They're all fucking dirty.
Where's your goggles?
Yeah, I can barely see out of that eye. Oh, thank you.
Always do that. There you go. Oh, an orange one, nice.
Microfiber, no less.
That's better, thank you. Alright guys, we're off to pressure wash the bikes at a petrol station. We're then going to load them up and head home. It's been a fantastic day. Thank you for watching as always. I'll see you in the next one, and I'm gonna go now before I lose my voice completely.